In this video we will learn I will show you how to merge two videos. Okay, uh, to merge two videos there is a software. You just search in Chrome Windows Movie Maker for Windows 8, whatever the operating system have. Just observe Windows Movie Maker free download. Just download it and install it. Okay, once installation the software look like this. Okay, to merge videos just click on this, so this window will come. What you have to do is just see here, you just take whatever the videos you want to merge. So I am taking one video. Okay, if you want to add another video, just add and just add another video if you want. Once again, I'm adding this. Okay, you just see I have added two videos. These are the frames of my videos. Okay, just it will merge two videos. Okay, it will merge music. So just click on add music to add background music for whole video. If you want to add background music for only from particular film, for example I'll say, yeah, I need to add background music from here. Okay, I need to add background from music from here. So add music at the current point, because from here I want to add music. I just click, I want to add music. Okay, so it will add music from the current location whichever we specified. Okay, so up to here it will be add. Okay, then if we want to add music, just add. For start the thing. Okay, it will add up to here, right? Just add music. You can add how many music you want to just add. Okay, see, it will be added at the end. Okay, now just click on file, save project, save movie. If you want, here there is options like if you want high definition display, you can just select this one. If you want to for computer, just select this one. If you want to send as a message for Android or like this, whatever you want. For my computer, I have selected this one. So just it will save. Okay, just save. Okay, it will save the whole video. Okay, like this you can able to add any number of videos you can merge. Okay, at a time. Thank you.